The law of torts is a branch of civil law that deals with civil wrongs, where a person's actions or omissions cause harm or injury to another, allowing the injured party to seek compensation through a lawsuit. Essentially, it aims to protect individuals' rights by providing remedies for wrongful acts that violate legal duties, with the primary object being to compensate the victim for the harm suffered through monetary damages. Nature of law of torts. 1. Civil wrong. A tort is considered a civil wrong, meaning it is a violation of a legal duty owed to another person, distinct from a criminal offense. 2. Based on fault. Liability in tort usually arises from the defendant's fault, either through intentional acts, negligence, or strict liability. 3. Unliquidated damages. The remedy for a tort is typically unliquidated damages, meaning the amount of compensation is determined by the court based on the specific circumstances of the case. And 4. Derived from common law. The law of torts primarily originates from English common law, evolving through judicial precedents. Scope of law of torts. 1. Personal injury. Covers physical harm caused to a person due to another's negligence, such as accidents, assault, battery. 2. Property damage. Includes damage to tangible property like land or goods caused by trespass, nuisance, or negligence. 3. Economic loss. Covers financial losses resulting from a tort, like lost income or business damage due to wrongful conduct. 4. Defamation. Protects individuals from false and defamatory statements harming their reputation. And 5. Privacy invasion. Covers unauthorized intrusion into someone's private life. Object of law of torts. 1. Compensation. The primary objective of tort law is to provide compensation to the injured party for the harm suffered, aiming to put them back in the position they were in before the tort occurred. 2. Deterrence. By imposing liability on wrongdoers, tort law seeks to discourage others from engaging in similar harmful behavior. 3. Loss distribution. Tort law can help distribute the cost of accidents among society by holding responsible parties liable. And 4. Redress of wrongs. To provide a legal mechanism for individuals to seek redress when their rights are violated through a wrongful act. Key points. 1. The term, tort, originates from the Latin word, tortum, meaning, to twist. 2. The concept of duty of care is central to tort law, where a person is legally obligated to exercise reasonable care to avoid causing harm to others. And 3. The legal maxim, injuria sine damno, injury without damage, signifies that even without substantial damage, a violation of a legal right can be actionable under tort law.